What's up, guys? I hope you guys are all doing good and welcome back to Boske's FX Forex Group. We really appreciate it, guys, to have you back once again to our YouTube channel, and we'd like to thank you all who just subscribed to our YouTube channel. If you have not yet done so, please kindly hit the subscribe bell and turn on the notification icon so that you will not miss out our new concept when we upload our next video. So guys, here on our YouTube channel, we talk about smart money concept, ICT concept, and order block strategies. If you are looking forward to learn about those concepts, welcome to the family. In today's video, guys, we are going to show you an insane US30 trade breakdown, how to master US30. So we are going to use these following steps here. We have market structure, and we are going to show you how to use supply and demand trading strategy, and this is the masterclass which I am going to give you today. And we are going to show you how to use volume profile, and it can help you to identify where the big banks put their pending orders. So we are also going to show you how to identify good order blocks using the breakout structure and the change of character. So guys, let's say the price is coming from a drop phase, right? And then the price was going down. Now the price is going up. They'll create high and higher low and breaking the previous high, creating a new higher high. And then the next thing which you want to expect, it's what we call a correction or a compression, right? Coming back to the order block zone area. But once price reach the order block zone area or the demand zone, you want to see price taking out the previous what? The previous lower high in smaller time frame, like 15 minutes or 30 minutes or in 1 hour time frame, right? And then the price have to come back down to the order block which was responsible for breaking the structure, and you expect the price to go up, meaning they'll go up and take out the previous higher high, which is a potential take profit zone area. So let's say the price will give you something like this, guys. This will be a breakout structure, right? Breakout structure right there. This will be a breakout structure, and this will be a choke, right? Character of change right there, as you can see. Let me make it so that you can see properly. So right, meaning this is a breakout structure right there, breakout structure again, and this is a demand zone area, right, where we can find our order block zone area. So once price comes back to the demand zone, you wait for good confirmation for character of change or a choke, right? And then once you are being given this in smaller time frame, you expect the price to push up once they come back to the previous to the previous order block zone area, which was responsible for breaking that structure. So, and once price it's continue going up, the next thing which you like to see is again compression or a correction, right? Coming back to that zone area, guys, which was responsible for breaking the structure, and you want to see a character of change and price coming back to the OB, then they'll continue going up, meaning this will be a continuous trend right there, guys. This will be a continuous trend. So right, this will be a choke, character of change right there. See, character of change, breakout structure which will be down. That's how you confirm your entries, guys. That's how you confirm your entries. You want to see a character of change or in the breakout structure first, but the breakout structure must be first, breakout structure, then the character of change will be made second. Why? Because this OB right there will fail to hold, but the price will take it out, so it will be a character of change. And here will be our last potential high of taking profit right there, as you can see. All right, so when price is now going down, the next thing which you would like to see is price breaking the structure, right? So let's say the price will come back with something like this. So as we said, let's say the price is now going down, right? And then they'll create a drop base, drop, right? Breaking the structure. Then they'll do something like this, guys, and continue going down, right? The next thing which you have to understand, guys, this was a break of structure, right? And this was a character of change, guys. So a character of change was made around this zone, guys, because this zone was responsible for breaking this structure right there. So once price does something like this, the next thing which you like to see is compression or a correction coming back to that same zone area, right? Something like this, guys. Then the price will go down, or sometimes they will break the structure and comes back, retesting, then they will continue going down, right? And while the price is now going down, guys, this is our supply zone area, right? Supply zone area, and that supply zone was tested and break of structure was made here. Break of structure, character of change was made here, guys, right? Something like this. And the next thing which you like to see when price is coming back, you want to see compression again or correction, right? Something like this, guys. Once they reach the order block zone area, you want to see price going down. So sometimes they do something like this, guys, right? Something like this, meaning this will be a supply zone area again, guys. Supply zone area, and price was breaking the structures. As you can see, break of structure here. You can also use the last higher low to help you to understand that the price have taken out the structure. And also use this zone right there, break of structure, right? And here is a character of change, and this is a break of structure, something like this. And then, guys, let's say sometimes they do something like this, right? It doesn't come back here, but this was a break of structure, change of character, but this one have became a drop based drop. So the next thing which you like to see is a compression, right? Compression to that same zone area, coming back to something like this, and then the price will go down, right? Something like this, meaning you want to see compression as a nice price approach to that order block zone area, not a fast move, right? Not a fast move. So that's how you look for your market structure, and that's how you apply this chalk and break of structure, guys. So now we're going on chart and talk about volume profile and apply all of the things which we were talking about now. So guys, now as you can see, we are on chart and this is US30. So the volume profile, guys, you can also subscribe for 15, I think it should be 15 or $14 per month. Just have to subscribe on TradingView, or you can use it manually. As you can see, this is fixed range volume profile. So what you do if you are using manual, you mark the low and you mark the high, and it will show you where the big banks they are putting the orders. So as you can see, that's where our demand zone is at, and as you can see, that's where that volume profile is at. So once you are able to understand this, guys, you have to understand your bigger structure, meaning I start from my daily, and then as you can see, this is a break of structure and another break of structure, and this is a supply, this is a demand. Why? Because the price is now going back to the what? To the demand zone area to pick the orders and shift the market going up. But as you can see, guys, how are we going to take a trades from this zone until to this zone? That's the biggest question, because some of you guys, you only wait, but if you trade both ways, you will be able to understand this strategy, guys. As you can see here on our higher high, we have a break of structure, and here is our previous higher low, which was being taken out. But as you can see, guys, this supply zone area was responsible for breaking the structure, not this one. This one created after break of structure, so we take this one, guys, because it's inside that previous lower high, right? And then this is a new lower high. This was the high, but this have became our new lower high. So the price have to come back to pick the orders and shift the market going down. So you, by understanding that the price is coming back to this supply zone area, you are going to wait for nice entry point. So meaning if we go back to H1 time frame, guys, we'll see with this break of structure and this change of character. But if we go back to 30 minutes, guys, we're going to 30 minutes, because if we go deeper in 15 minutes, you will not see nice. So we're gonna use 30 minutes. As you can see, the price came back, and this was a compression coming back to this zone, guys. As you can see, that's where you can put your horizontal line like this. This was a compression, guys, coming back to this zone. Indeed, these yellow zones, guys, are the lower higher highs and higher lows. So I just put yellow because I want to understand, because it's in the middle of the price. We are only concerned in the blue zones areas, guys. As you can see, this is where our lower high was issued, and the price created a break of structure right there, guys. As you can see, break of structure, change of character, then the price came back, but this candlestick was imbalance. That's why I write imbalance here. And the price came and tapped into that imbalance box, shifted the market going down. And here, as you can see, while the price was going down, they've issued a drop, base drop, and here was a supply zone. If you go to smaller time frame, you will be able to see this supply zone, and you can see, guys, here we had only 4 candlestick, and this was many candlestick, meaning it was a compression coming back to that supply zone. Once they came back, they just picked the orders and shifted the market going down. As you can see, break of structure was here, guys, and the price took out that zone again, as you can see, guys. And these break of structures are from my previous left side in the bigger time frame. So that's why you can see break of structure here, guys. As you can see, it was a break of structure, price continued going down. So now the only OB we were concerned about was inside this break of structure. As you can see, that's where I wrote my supply zone, but the price failed to reach that zone. But what the price have given us, this was a break of structure, price created a new high, right? And then the price came back. This was a higher low. The price went up but failed to break the structure, and comes back and break what? The previous higher low. And now they have created a new lower low. The price came back, and as you can see, this was one candlestick of going down. But look at this. This way around 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candlestick coming back to that zone area, meaning it was a compression. And here, guys, we had a hidden base area. That's why the price came back and tapped in, shifted the market going down, breaking the previous higher low and the previous lower low, as you can see. And the price continued going down, as you can see. And while the price was going down, they came back, created a new lower high, continued going down, meaning this was a break of structure. Price went up, break the structure, right? Break the structure, came back with a drop, base drop, breaking the structure, guys. And this OB right there was never being tested. That's why the price came back, as you can see, coming back to that supply zone, testing that OB, shifted the market going down, as you can see. That's why we wrote this break of structure right there. And this was the lower high in major time frame, guys, like H1 and H4, right? And then the price continued going down. As you can see, now they approached our demand zone, but they just failed to go in with few pips only. But as you can see, guys, this is where the lower high was issued right there, guys. The lower high was issued here, guys, as you can see, meaning this was a break of structure. Where do you think price will come? They will come back to the last, or to the demand which was responsible for breaking the structure, right? So we do have a fib which we use, guys. We mark the high, right? We mark the low, and then we mark the high of the candlestick. We shift the market going up. So what you do when you label something like this, you want to see price coming back to this zone area. So it will help you to understand the demand zone to take, right? Mark the high of the week, mark where it ends, because this the last candlestick which was issued, which was responsible for breaking this structure right there, right? And that's where the price came back to the demand zone, picked the orders, shifted the market. Meaning, if you were using this take profit right there, guys, your take profit was going to be smashed. Why? Because that's where our potential, or the previous higher high, was at. So that's our potential zone area to take our our take profit. So guys, as you can see now, the price is about to go up. The next thing which you have to understand, guys, once price comes back to the demand zone, you use the smaller time frame to take what? To take entries, so that you will be able to take sniper entries only, and also minimize your risk. So as you can see now, the price is going up, guys. As you can see, the zone which I'll be looking forward to be taken out, it's this zone area, guys. As you can see, this is where our last lower high was issued. So once price comes back and take out this zone, and then they'll come back, let's say the price will do something like this, go up, take out this zone, comes back to the OB which was responsible for breaking the structure, and then they'll continue going up. But before they break this zone, guys, before they break this zone, they must respect it, because this zone was never being tested, right? So they have to respect it. They'll do something like this, maybe, and then continue going up if they want to continue going up. But also, guys, we didn't show you how to use this volume profile. As you can see here, guys, this was the high, right? And this was the last lower low. How were we going to take this trade? We're going to measure the high. This was the high, right? And this was the lower low, right there, guys. So the volume profile will label something like this, guys. Sorry, something like this. But you'll be able to understand this was the last supply zone which was responsible for breaking the structure. So once you apply it something like this, you'll be able to know where the orders are at. So that's how you apply it, guys. Now let's go and show you the trades which we took this week, guys, using this strategy. So as you can see here, guys, this was Euro USD, and we said we like to see a buy there, and the signal was sent in VIP. This was GBP USD, but this was the trade which we took in VIP, the buy for Euro USD, and also this was the setup for GBP USD which we're looking. That's the buy here, guys. As you can see, we took the buy right there, guys. And then these are the trades which we took there that day, buy here and buy here, guys, as you can see. And this was the after. Yeah, this was the after, guys. Screenshot for after. And this is V75 in 15 minutes chart, as you can see, guys. And we send the signal. This was the trade which we took. And as you can see, we said we would like to see them coming back down and then go up, right? As you can see, just failed to reach our zone with few pips, guys. As you can see again, guys, This is US30, the buy which we took, and this was the zone. So when we saw the change of structure here, the chop, that's when we took our trades. So as you can see, this was Nasdaq guys, sorry. We also took a buy. So we just waited for a change of character, and then we took our entry right there. As you can see guys, and this was the buy also on US30 which we took that day. And this is V75 sale, we took the sale. Many trades guys, and this was the trade which we were showing you there, the supply zone on US30. We said this was our potential supply zone, which we like to see the price going down as well with this one. So we thought they were coming back to this zone. That's why we labeled two supply zone area, but we took this one, and as you can see, this was the trade right there. And these are the other trades which we were taking, and also these ones, and this was the other trade which we took, as you can see right there. And this was the buy Nasdaq which we sent in our VIP. So with this one, this was the after on Nasdaq, and this was the sell which we were holding on US30, as you can see, and our take profit just got smashed today guys. As you can see, GBP USD right there, and this was the setup which we shared. As you can see, we shared Euro USD setup, a buy, and here was they were just chopping around our entry, and the sell on US30 which we took, as you can see, sniper entry there, and we said we'd like to see buying again. This was after they went up guys, as you can see, and the buy which we said on Euro USD, this was the buy right there guys, and GBP USD took a buy. Feedbacks from our clients guys, as you can see, they were appreciating the good work guys. And this was from my student who took this buy guy here, as a Euro CHF right there. He took a sniper entry guys right there. The sell on the Nasdaq, we send a signal. This was the trade sniper entry right there. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and share our video with your family and friends. Have a blessed day guys.